Hey guys! Now that the school year is coming to an end, I would like to do a special DIY project for your teachers. Did you ever realize how important your teachers are to you or how much they care for you? Well, you're going to love this project. Let's get started. First thing you're going to need is you're going to need a big container to put your things in. So, here it is. You're going to need Lifesavers. You're also going to need stars. You can get them anywhere, different colors. And you're going to need ribbon. You're going to need rope and a golden ribbon. So, let's get started. First, we're going to take our bowl. And we're going to fill it up with Lifesavers because your teachers are lifesavers to you. So, let's get started. Just keep on filling them up. My teachers are going to love this. And yes, you are totally allowed to have one. Okay, so we're done with the filling of the Lifesaver part. So we're going to put the cap right on. Make sure it's super tight because that's very important. Then you are going to take your stars and you're going to get them out like this. Open it and get started. So what you're going to do with the stars is you're going to take silver or gold. And you're going to take the biggest one you see, like I have this silver one. I'm going to put it right on the side, like this. Then on this side, I'm going to put this, a golden one. So here we have silver and golden. So next we're going to put some stars, some of the smaller stars. We're going to stick them on to the sides, but it's going to look super cool. And this is the best way how to do it. You take the second biggest one, which is right here. You're going to put it right at the tip. Like this. Then you are going to get a small silver star or golden star, and you're going to put it right in the middle. You're going to decorate it. So then you're going to get your other big gold star. You're going to put it right here, like this. It's looking really good. Then you're going to take some other stars, like one here and another one here. Here. Like this. Okay, and that looks really good so far. If it doesn't look exactly symmetric, then that's perfectly fine. Oh, and also, you might want to save one of your big ones, like me. I'm just going to put another small one and only one big one because I want to save it for another part. So then, you are going to start with your silver, add one, big star, big silver star, at the tippity tip top. So, and then you're going to add one gold star, as you can see, like this. and another silver star, a small one. Another silver, and repeat as necessary. Here we go. Here, let me fix it. Wow, this looks so good so far. So we have this side, have a big star, big golden star. We have our 5 stars and our big silver star. So here's the fun part. We are going to decorate the top. So this is how you're going to do it. You're going to take your big silver star, you put it right in the middle. It could be the golden one or it could be the silver one, but I'm going to go with the golden one. I mean the silver one. Wait, no, I think I should go with the golden one because it stands out. Golden one. And we're going to put a silver. Just like put it symmetrically, but make sure it looks really good. And here we have our top part. So, next part is that you will give this to your teachers and they will love it so much. That's the next part. You've been so good to watch this. I hope your teachers love it, and they will totally, all the other students will be like, I wish I had this gift for the teachers. Well, you can make it. Here you go. This is for your teachers. You've been so amazing, and thank you. Hello, everyone. It's Carlina again, just showing you the final product of what your project should look like, your DIY project for school. And this is what it looks like. I added the final touches with this very rustic yarn and this special ribbon. So I'm going to tell you what they are. So the rustic yarn is actually called jute, and it just looks so country-like, and it makes a very good, it looks so amazing. Our next product, we have our ribbon, our silver ribbon, and this really came in handy. It made it so glamorous. Oh, and it looks so good because the combination of the rusticness of the jute and the fancy ribbon silver ribbon looks so amazing. It created an awesome contrast between fancy and rustic. So I really like that change. I had scissors to make it, and for my next teacher, I'm actually going to choose gold. And it's going to look amazing. So I hope you liked this video. Oh, wait, I almost forgot. You see this tying place right here, like where the knot is? You can actually add a little tag or card, and it can totally be really handy. You could write, from whatever your name is. Mine is Carlina. From Carlina, you have been a lifesaver this year. Get it? Because there are lifesavers in here. But yeah, that's very ironic. It's really good. So now, oh, and another thing you could buy your teachers is you could just buy these little paper clips dispensers. It really comes in handy during the year, especially with my teacher. She's always looking for these. Well, okay, I hope you liked this DIY. I hope you do it at home and give it to your teachers for the end of the year. So here it is, and I hope you liked it. Comment down below and write in the comments if you like doing DIYs, and subscribe, and hope you had an amazing day today. Thank you, and bye.